Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if the tone setting is not showing up. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find application, install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started doing our translations. We have the settings option to go and manage how our application works and so on. So let's go and take a look at what to do if the tone setting is not showing up. So this is likely due to language guys. So the tone feature is only available for specific language pairs such as German, French, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese and so on, and then translating from and to English. So there are so many unsupported languages for formalities not available like in Chinese languages, Japanese or Korean, and what you have to do to be able to fix this, you want to select a supported language pair, so such as English to German or English to French. As you can see right here at the bottom of the screen, you have the decked language option where you can go and select what language you want to translate. So by selecting one of the supported languages, the setting tone and the tone settings are going to go ahead and be appearing right here that you can then use for your translations, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.